Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and now let's scroll in order to find biometrics and security. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find other security settings, and as you can see at the very top we've got set up SIM card lock option, so let's tap on it and tap on change SIM card pin. Right now we have to enter the current SIM pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK, and right now we can enter the new one. So let's do it, tap on OK, and redo it, re-enter it. And tap on OK in order to confirm. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that from now on, if you will restart the device, then it will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.